Phonics story, MB. One happy day, a bear named Thumb wanted some plum pies. Every morning, Thumb liked to hum a cheerful tune as he walked to the bakery. The baker, a boy named Gum, always had a fresh batch of plum pies ready for Thumb. As Thumb was eating his plum pie, he saw a trail of crumbs leading to the forest. He decided to follow the crumb trail until he met a group of animals having a party. Thumb saw a rabbit named Numb who looked sad and lonely. "Why are you sitting alone, Numb?" asked Thumb. "I feel dumb," replied Numb, "because I dropped all my snacks while coming here." With a big hug, Thumb comforted Numb and offered to share his plum pie. The other animals joined in, offering Numb some of their treats. As the sun set, Numb and Thumb walked back home, their bellies full of delicious treats and their hearts filled with new friendships. "Next time, we'll come prepared with extra snacks," said Thumb with a grin, "so no one will ever feel left out again." MB Poem, Lumber and Slumber. In a forest, just past the big plum tree, lived a bear who was famous, as famous could be. He would comb his fur with a giant comb and thumb through his books in his cozy home. His pal, the squirrel, with a big thumb, liked to count his nuts until his fingers were numb. They'd number the acorns 1, 2, 3, while munching on cookies under the tree. When it was time to gather some lumber, they'd stumble around and sometimes slumber. They'd play a fun game called Hum and Thumb until they felt so tired and numb.